dozen carrots. Thanks. Have a nice day. Come on.
Hey there, Jude. Jude the Dude. Remember that one? How we doing?
I'm fine. You are not fine. Your ears are droopy. Why did I think I could make a difference?
Because you're a trier. That's why.
You've always been a trier. Oh, I tried. And it made life so much worse for so many innocent predators.
Oh, not all of them, though. Speak of the devil, right on time.
Is that Gideon Gray?
Yep, it sure is. We work with him now.
He's our partner, and we never would have considered it had you not opened our minds.
That's right. I mean, Gid's turned into one of the top pastry chefs in the Tri-Boroughs.
That's really cool, you guys. Gideon Gray. I'll be darned.
Hey, Judy, I'd just like to say I'm sorry for the way I behaved in my youth. I had a lot of self-doubt, and it manifested itself in the form of unchecked rage and aggression. I was a major jerk.
Oh, I know a thing or two about being a jerk.
Anyhow, I brought y'all these pies.
Hey, kids, don't you run through that Mindy Camp and Molly Cynthias.
Well, now, there's a $4 word, Mr. H. My family always just called them night howlers.
I'm sorry, what did you say?
Oh, Gid's talking about those flowers, Judy. I use them to keep the bugs off the produce, but I don't like the little ones going near them on account of what happened to your Uncle Terry.
Yeah, Terry ate one whole when we were kids and went completely nuts.
He bit the dickens out of your mother.
A bunny can go savage. Savage? Well, that's a strong word. But it did hurt like the devil.
Well, sure it did. There's a sizable divot in your arm. I'd call that savage.
Night howlers are wolves. They're flowers. The flowers are making the predators go savage. That's it! That's what I've been missing! Oh, keys! Keys, keys, keys! Hurry, come on! Oh, thank you! I love you, bye!
You catch any of that, Bond?
Not one bit.
Oh, that makes me feel a little bit better. I thought she was talking in tongues or something.